Hi, this is Dr. Ping Zhang, a lecturer on Mining Department, WA School of Mines, Curtin University. Today, I'm going to briefly introduce mine ventilation in terms of why a mine needs to be ventilated, typical ventilation system, and how to ventilate the mine. So first part, why a mine needs to be ventilated. Mine ventilation is sometimes described as the lifeblood of a mine. So why a mine needs to be ventilated first, and also the main reason, mine ventilation provides adequate air for breathing. In other words, the mine ventilation carries oxygen to the working areas for the miners to breathe and for the machines to work. Second, mine ventilation can remove contaminants, hazard gases, and radiation. For example, mine ventilation is very important for coal mine to keep the methane to a safe level. Mine ventilation can also carry out the particulate matter in underground mines. Huge amounts of dust are generated during the mining processing. For example, blasting, excavating, and mining. Mine ventilation can bring all of those particles outside the working area in underground mines. Also, the diesel particulate matter, DPM, which is generated by the diesel machine. The third reason is temperature. We know that with the mine goes deeper and deeper, the temperature increases. Thus, we need mine ventilation to cool down the temperature. Also, for some mines, the humidity is very large. Mine ventilation can also control the humidity in these mines. In total, without an effective mine ventilation system, no underground facility that requires personnel to enter it can operate safely. So this is a schematic mine ventilation layout. We can see the fresh air goes into the mine from the left side. We call this the intake shaft. And the fresh air goes to the working phase in underground, and the contaminant in the air is exhausted to the surface by an exhaust fan. So the last part is how to ventilate a mine. So what do we need to ventilate a mine? First, we need to know how much air we need to ventilate. This is based on the different operation and the number of miners in underground, and also this is according to the gas limit or dust limit. So what type of fan is needed? There are many different kinds of fans. So how to ventilate a mine? You need to select a suitable fan, and how to direct the right amount of air to the designated area. So for different areas, the air quantity requirement is different. So how to direct the right amount of air to this area is very important as well. And why deep mines are hot and how to deal with it. So like I mentioned, so with the mine goes deeper and deeper, the temperature increases. So you need to know why the deep mine are hot, and how to deal with it. So you also need to know how much air I need to control the temperature in underground mines. And the last one is what is an effective mine ventilation system. So we need an effective mine ventilation system which is very cost effective and also can achieve our mine ventilation requirements. Thank you.